kind of a weird one. I had to connect to Wi-Fi in order to activate it. Choose dominant hand, I would say right hand. Next, next, finished. Whatever. This is cool. Kinda like the sound on it. It's also called T99H, T799H. Snapdragon octa-core CPU, Android 10, but I think it will be upgradable to Android 11. Right. Trying to set up a pin. Fingerprint scanner seems to be okay. Very good. Yeah, it's not too bad. Yeah, I like it. I like this phone. I like this phone. It's a cool phone. It's a really nice build and good specs. Good specs for the price. It is a thumbs up from me. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and hit the subscribe button if you wish to see videos similar in future.